Hi everyone! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ay isang astrology reading for you. Meron tayong full moon in Aries ngayong September 29, 2023 at 5:57 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. So if you're living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng full moon sa inyong lugar. So this is also called harvest moon kasi ito yung panahon ng pag-ani, no, or culmination ng mga nasimulan natin way back nung March 2023. Pero bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking mga power bracelets. Ayan, so this is for attraction of money, abundance, prosperity, love, intuition. Meron din tayong mga for protection, mga anti-evil eye, anti-inggit. And then, meron din tayong for balancing your chakras. At meron din tayong mga intention oils, multi-purpose oils for setting your intentions. And then, meron din tayong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, lahat po yan available sa ating Shopee. Link on the description. Let's continue. Itong full moon in Aries is also a super moon, so malakas ang energy nito. Ang tema ng full moon in Aries is to let go, to release our ego na minsan kasi hindi naman kailangan nating ipaglaban lagi na tayo ay tama. Sabi nga, choose your battles. Kasi may mga pagkakataon na nasasayang lang yung energy natin sa mga bagay na hindi naman talaga makakatulong sa atin, sa pag-unlad natin. Let's say, pinairal mo yung init ng ulo mo and hindi naman makakabuti sa'yo yon or doon sa tao na mapagbabalingan mo ng init ng ulo. Pwedeng magresulta lang yon ng problema or issues or conflict in the future. So, ang opportunity rito is to release any toxic situations na meron ka and pagkakaroon ng mas mature na pag-iisip, no, pagdating sa pag-handle mo ng emotions mo, na hindi ka dapat nagpapadalos-dalos, lalo na kapag medyo mataas yung emotions mo kasi ang Aries energy is about, yung ruled by Mars yan and Mars is about aggression, initiation, very fiery yung energy niyan. So ang goal dito is to embrace yung side mo na may mga pagkakataon talaga na medyo mataas yung energy mo when it comes to dealing with your emotions, lalo na kapag natitrigger ka. So that's why kailangan you need to control your energy, lalo na kung alam mo na panandalian lang yung emotion na yun, 'di ba? And then learning to surrender as well, na may mga bagay na hindi natin kayang makontrol at kung paiiralin natin yung init ng ulo, yung bugso ng damdamin, baka imbis na maayos ang isang problema, mas lalo lang magulo, 'di ba? And even sa pagte-take natin ng actions, minsan very impulsive tayo out of our emotions. So learn to stop, think, and reassess the situation bago tayo mag-take ng action. For you, Gemini, the moon is in your 11th house of friendship, community, your hopes, and your dreams. So I think you are more dedicated in pursuing your dreams this time. And if you feel na hindi in alignment yung actions na ginagawa mo doon sa totoo mong pangarap, you might be releasing the things na alam mong hindi nakakatulong or makakatulong sa pag-achieve ng goals mo. So, example, gusto mong maging, gusto mong i-pursue yung, let's say, business, no? And you are still working sa isang company. So, syempre, kung hindi ka magte-take ng action in pursuing your goals and your dreams of becoming a business owner, hindi mangyayari yon, diba? So, I think you really need to go out of your way to achieve that, no? Get whatever you really want. And yung iba sa inyo, maari kasing may conflict, yung parang there are times that you feel like hindi ka naniniwala sa sarili mong kakayanan, or minsan hindi ka ganun ka-inspired to create something or to be more, to be more creative. Maybe because parang you are putting so much, parang binibigyan mo ng mataas na expectation yung sarili mo na dapat everything's going to be perfect, or You want to be accepted by all of the people. But, syempre, no, hindi naman lahat makaka-appreciate sa atin. Hindi lahat mapiplease natin. So, just be yourself and, show yourself to the world who you really are, what you can do, ano yung mga abilidad mo, talents and skills mo. And, let them appreciate who you really are for your authenticity, yung pagiging totoo mo. So, meron dito kasing challenge sa iyong 3rd house and your 12th house of your mental health. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, you might experience miscommunication or misunderstanding with the people na malapit rin sa'yo. Like, for example, kaibigan mo, kapatid mo, part of your family, na you are expecting them to appreciate everything that you do. Pero may mga pagkakataon na hindi nila yon ma-appreciate. And that's fine, Okay lang yan. Kasi nga, lalo na kung yung iba, diba, pag mayroon silang, parang if they are working towards their dreams, mas madalas, yung kamag-anak nila ay hindi supportive diba? So, it's okay. As long as you are believing in yourself, you can achieve a lot of things. Okay? So, kumbaga, ang ile-let go mo this time is yung doubts mo sa sarili mo. You really need to believe in yourself. You really need to believe in your dreams. See, you have the 4 of Wands. So, this is foundation. Pagkakaroon ng solid foundation. This is also about, yung mga actions na gagawin mo in alignment talaga sa gusto mong maabot, ma-achieve. You have the Queen of Wands. So, this is someone who is very creative, malakas ang loob, courageous, and a fighter. So, I think you are going to fight for your hopes, your dreams. See, you also have the Queen of Swords. I think you are cutting off yung mga people na, yung mga tao na hindi naniniwala sa kakayanan mo, yung mga doubters mo. And hindi mo na napapansinin itong mga to. Mas magpo-focus ka sa kung ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve. Yes, with the Death card here, there's definitely an ending and a beginning. There's transformation for you, Gemini. 9 of Cups, you're going to achieve kumbaga makukuha mo yung wish mo. Meron tong wish fulfillment for you. So, this also, parang nire-require nito yung transformation. Oo, kailangan munang may mag-end para magsimula yung bago. And this is going to be very fulfilling sa inyo. Yung iba, relationship. Yung iba, yung anything na you feel na hindi ka appreciated. At yung self-doubt mo, i-release mo yun. Kasi you will be focusing on how you are trusting yourself. Okay? That is your reading. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Gemini. See you again.